and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to customize your home screen for your iPad or iPhone with the new iOS 14 update. I created some images that you can use as a fall theme, and I've uploaded them to a Pinterest board, which I will leave a link in the description box down below. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I have created a Pinterest board that has some fall themes that you can choose from if you like. I'm going to customize my screen with these pictures that I have created using Procreate. If you need help with Procreate, you can check out my other videos where I do tutorials on them. I will leave a link to this Pinterest board in the description box down below. To get started on customizing your home screen, first you will need to go to the Shortcuts app. And then choose the plus sign. And then choose Scripting. And then Open App. And then select Choose. And then type the name of the app that you would like to customize the icon for. We're going to start with YouTube. Right. And then you're going to select the three dots next to Shortcut. And then rename the shortcut. And then add to home screen. Then rename the shortcut again. And choose this icon to the left. And then choose Photo. And we're going to choose this YouTube icon that I created in Procreate. And then choose Use. And then choose Add. And you get that check mark, you know that it has been added to the home screen. Then choose Done. And then go back to the home screen, check it out. There it is, right there. We're gonna move this icon down here. We're gonna replace it. So I'm gonna select it and move it. And then select this and move it down to where the other icon was. And this is what happens when we click on the new icon. It goes to Shortcuts and then it goes to YouTube. So I'm going to close that. Right. Next, let's do the mail icon. Shortcuts again. Plus. Scripting. Open App. Choose. And mail. The three dots next to Shortcut. Change that to Mail. Add to home screen. Rename. Choose the icon next to Mail. Choose Photo. Then I'm going to choose this mail icon that I made. Then Use. Then Add. Added to home screen. Done. I'll close that. There's my mail icon. I'm going to take this old icon out. I'm not going to delete my other icons. I'm going to keep them. I'm going to replace this. And this, I'm just going to combine the old icons together because I don't want to delete them. I'm just going to put them together in a folder there. I'm going to do my messages. Scripting, open app, choose, messages, 3 dots, rename, add to home screen, messages, choose the icon to the left, choose photo, and then I'm going to choose this message icon that I created. Then go to use, add, then get the check. Done. Replace. Next I'm going to do my Safari app down there at the bottom. Shortcuts, scan my shortcuts, plus scripting, open app, choose Safari, 3 dots, add to home screen, Safari, choose the icon to the left, choose photo, my icon that I made, use, then add it to the home screen. Let's replace it. Safari down there. Alright, so all 4 of these icons have been replaced. And then I'm just going to group these together because I'm not going to delete these apps. I still need them because these are only shortcuts. These are not new apps. Then I'm going to change all of these icons. I'll let you know whenever I'm done. I have created shortcuts for my icons, and they're in fall colors and fall pictures that I created in Procreate. Now we're going to change the wallpaper. So we're going to go to Settings, Wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper. I'm going to go to my Pinterest folder in my pictures, and then I'm going to choose this wreath that I made out of fall leaves. And then choose Set. Move it however you want to look on the picture on the screen, and press Set. And I'm going to choose this for both the home screen and the lock screen. Alright, let's go to the home screen and see what it looks like. Oh, that looks great. It's nice and fall themed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see a winter theme next, please leave a comment in the description box down below. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.